Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ACH transfers for investing with Robinhood. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable ACH transfers for investing with Robinhood, first, open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. In the account menu, scroll down and select Transfers. Next, tap on Add New Account. You will then be prompted to select your bank. If your bank is listed, click on it. If it's not listed, tap on Search for your bank. Enter the name of your bank in the search bar and select it when it appears. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your online banking credentials. This may include your username and password for your bank account. After entering your credentials, Robinhood will securely connect to your bank. Once connected, you will be asked to verify your account. You may receive a verification code via email or text from your bank. Enter the verification code in the Robinhood app as prompted. After successfully verifying your account, return to the Transfers section. You can now initiate ACH transfers to fund your investments. Select the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. The funds will typically arrive in your Robinhood account within a few business days. You are now ready to start investing using your ACH transfer. Remember to check your account for updates on the transfer status. With these steps, you have successfully enabled ACH transfers in Robinhood. Enjoy your investing journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.